Hello and welcome back. In this video we are studying about the data frame and we will look about data frame. First of all, we have done series and we would need that series to study all the pandas. Here pandas is dependent maximally in the series, means this is the basic. You would learn step by step and that's all would be interdependent in each other. Suppose I have the sale of my company. Suppose let's take different company here. I will take my business. Suppose there is the sales of, I will make series of this sale first of all, and in the week I will make this the first week of the, I will make this S1 sale 1 as the first week, and let's make it. Suppose I have sale of $2000 for the first day and 300 and 2500 and 3000. Sorry, 300 we can take this, and 5000 also, and 1500, 246, and 7th is, let's make 3500, and I will give the index is equal to, I will give with the Sunday and Monday Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And this is the first series of my, means this is the first week I have sold this much. This is the selling of this first week on each day I have. Now I would make the data frame of this as like this. Data frame is equal to, we should make pandas dot data frame, and we should pass to, we can pass here argument as form of dictionary. I will pass this as a first week. Let's make only first, means we all know that we are getting a first week, and make the dictionary, and we have to make S1, and let's print data frame here, and let's see, it is giving me a data frame here with the first week and this. If you are using some type of software like Jopti or Anaconda, then it will show you the perfect data frame. This is not giving us a proper data frame or data structure, but in that data frame if you will get a proper data frame if you are using. We will use that soon in other tutorial, and let's see, let's make the series for 4 week here. This index will be same, and this is 1500, and this is 3000, this is 2000, this is only of 1000, this is only of 500, and this is of 2300 and 3000. This is series 2, and sorry for this, I have made some mistake here. We have to make this would be a series 2, and series 3 means this is of week 3 is equal to we will make this as 3, and I will make this of 1000, and this is of 800, this is of 900, 1200, 5100, 100, and 350. Let's make for 4th week also, and let's change this 200, 2000 here, and this is 1500, and let's make this of 300,000, 3100. Let's make. Now you can use data frame easily here. I will make data frame here. Data frame is equal to pd dot data frame, and we will pass here dictionary, list of dictionary here. I'll pass first, and I will make S1, and second, and I will make S2, third, and I will make S3, and fourth, with S4. Now make this, and let's make data frame enter. Yes, this is how we can get this data frame here. This is the row and this is the column. This is the column and this is the row. We are getting by row wise and column wise. It is giving on the Sunday of first week we are selling this, in the second week this is the end. This is how actually we can analyze this data. We can compare how we are progressing, or our progress has been degraded, if we have make the some changes, something that we can learn by data analysis. By this type means we are making this frame here, means for the 4 week if you can make also of daily routine also, means if you want to compare by day, means in this week I have make this day, this like this, and this we are making by daily report. We are comparing by day by day, or we can compare by hourly, or we can compare with monthly, yearly, or something. We can compare with 2 companies, if this first company, second company, third company, fourth company is selling on that week of weekday, Sunday, this much and this much and this much. This is how we can make this, and we will continue with this in the next video. And before that I would want to make some changes here. Here we can make, simply we can get how many, means we have to make the same column and same rows, means column could be many more. Here we can add many column here, but we have same rows. This means we have the same index for this. This is the just opposite in the data handling with any database. Means in database we have same column and there may be maximum rows, but here we should make the specific rows and we can change this column to many more, up to which we can make. There we can make this data frame dot, we can print shape. I think this is the sorry for this. This is not the function I think, and it is giving us the answer. This is giving me 7,4 as an answer, and this is means it has 7 rows and 4 columns. Here we will use same function in this video. I will not delete this, or if I delete this I will already make this for next video. And let's stop here because I want to make short video here. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.